Hey, welcome guys, welcome back to another video from your girl Casey Unstoppable. And today I'm gonna make for you some barbecue chicken. Yeah, barbecue chicken. You know it's summer. It's not actually summer, but the time is warm, so now is the time you do your barbecue, you do your jerk. So I'm gonna prepare some barbecue chicken for you guys, and I'm gonna do it in the oven. So don't get anywhere, I'll be right back. As you can see, already have my chicken washed and clean, and I wash my chicken with some lemon and vinegar. I lift the skin and I clean out all those slime and stuff. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna give the chicken a slice here so the season can go in, and a slice here. My knife is dull, gotta get a different knife. Now I'm gonna add some seasoning to my chicken. So I'm gonna put some minced garlic. I'm gonna put some minced ginger. This one is finished. I'm gonna put some pimento powder, some ginger powder. I'm gonna put some Caribbean spice, roasted garlic. I'm gonna put some meat seasoning. I'm gonna put some all-purpose. I'm gonna put a little bit of nutmeg. And I'm gonna put a little jerk seasoning. I'm not making jerk, but I just love this jerk seasoning. It has a buzz. And a little Mrs. Dash blended herbs. So now guys, I'm gonna put a little bit of barbecue sauce over it. A little bit of paprika. So now guys, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna rub in the seasoning in the chicken. So I'm gonna lift up the skin, make sure the seasoning go under the skin. So that part is done. I seasoned my barbecue chicken, so I'm gonna leave it to marinate, and then I will take you guys through the process how I do it in the oven. I already show you how I season my barbecue chicken, so it's time for me to put it in the oven. So I'm gonna take you guys through the process right now. So I'm gonna drizzle some oil on the pan. I'm gonna use this, my brush, and put it over. So I'm gonna place my chicken, but first of all I'm gonna put some barbecue sauce, some more barbecue sauce over the chicken. So now I'm gonna place the chicken on the rack. So now that I put the chicken on the rack, I'm gonna put it in the oven. So now guys, the chicken is in the oven. I'm using two different type. I use this one. I put this one inside already, and I'm gonna add this one. So I'm gonna use two different type of barbecue sauce. Okay, you see one is dark and one is like light. I'm gonna add some of this sweet chili sauce to it. Not not much, just a little bit. So now I'm gonna mix up my barbecue sauce together. And I'm gonna add a tip of honey. And just mix it up. So I'm going to take out the chicken from the oven, and then I'm going to give it one coat, and I'm going to put it back, and then I'm going to flip it over again and then put another coat. So guys, I'm going to flip it over, turn it on the other side. All the juice is there. Turn it over. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm gonna put the barbecue sauce over the chicken, and as I said, I'm gonna put it back in the oven. So you want the sauce to go all over, give that chicken a nice taste. Guys, yesterday I did some barbecue pork outside on the grill. It was delicious. Not barbecue pork, some jerk pork. It was delicious, but I didn't make a video. I forgot to make a video. Well, you know, it's a summer coming up. You will see me doing more barbecues outside on the grill. So guys, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please do so, and please hit thumbs up this video. Watch a video, leave a comment, share out my video. Okay, so I'm gonna put it back inside the oven, and then I'm gonna take it out back after 10 minutes, and I'm gonna flip it on the other side, and I'm gonna put some more sauce to it. So I'm gonna put a next coat of the barbecue sauce. The skin, one of the skin actually came off. It will stick to the pan, so I eventually have to change the pan, but it's all good to go. Looks good. I'm gonna put it back in the oven for like 5 more minutes. Guys, that's the finished product of my barbecue chicken. Look at this chicken. Look at this chicken here, so juicy and nice. Guys, you know what time is it? It's time to like up this video, share this video out, comment down below, let me know what you think about this lovely barbecue chicken right here. And if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please do so on your way out, and don't forget to hit that notification button so you know each time your girl upload a video. I hope you all enjoy this video. Until next time, I'm out. Thank you all for watching. Bye.